Okay, I was going to do a pressure test on it, but I can't until I got the plate, but I didn't think about buying the spacers to hold it on, so we'll do that later. I put the gasket on the muffler. Now we're going to do the carburetor. And we're going to start with the round part of the carburetor. And we've got a round gasket. And we have a throat. And I need to get a little Loctite on there. Just need to put Loctite on the ends. And that looks like I'm going to need a different fastener. Let's see. Got the ball, got the gasket, and the carb is complete. Then we've got a gasket, spacer, a gasket, a heat shield, and a gasket. The 23 is a hexagon head, 5M by 30. Okay, I'm going to put you on hold. Okay, magic. Okay. Now we've got the impulse channel down there that we do not want to cover up. And this is the thickest gasket. I'm going to put it on the back. No, maybe not. They look the same. Those holes are tight over those posts. Okay, now let's check that. Yes, sir. Perfect. Okay. All right, then let's go for the heat shield. Channel, impulse channel down here. Channel's open. Okay. Should have another one of these. Okay, now it looks like we got two sides. That looks like the carburetor side to me. And that looks like the exhaust side to me. How about you? And of course that would go down at the bottom. Then this one. That's pretty, isn't it? So it looks like we got two M6 hexagon nuts, and 2 washers. That'd be 18 and 19. Okay, those are really close in there, and you can struggle with that. I don't think that's gonna, watching me do it's gonna really help you. I'll pull it back a little bit and start them. I'm sure of that, and then push it back in. As you can see, it's really tight. Okay, and then now this will attach but I won't attach the governor. I don't think I'll attach the governor until, you know, we tune it at some point in the future. But the gas line will come off of here and then go into there. You got to do the handles. And the on-off switch. Look, this is a real quick one, easy one. This is the vent, tank vent. Okay. And we still got the handle, you know. Okay, now I believe this is the support. Like that. Well, we've got that to put on. So we'll do that in the next video. Okay, the 070 is getting close.